Hey folks, so let's take a look into slideshows. Now before we get started, I do want to let you know that we will break down slideshow videos into several videos, simply because the video may get a little bit long because we have 4 different slideshows and each of these slideshows has its own set of settings within it. Okay, so we'll start off by creating a very simple one, which is slideshow number 4. So we'll click on add block. We'll scroll down and almost to the very bottom, probably about 2/3 of the page, and here we have slideshow 4. Click on it and it will be added in between your WordPress content and the footer section. Now the beauty of the following page builder is that you can actually drag this slideshow around into any place, any order that you'd like to have it. So what I'm going to do is just place it underneath my page title, and let me add page title into the following field. Okay, and then I'll add some dummy text right underneath that. Okay, next off, let's unfold our slideshow. So here we have 2 different types for us to choose from. There's type A, which is full screen, and then there's type B, where we have a little bit of the previous and next image shown on the sides. So we'll just stick with type A at the moment. We'll scroll further down, and in the following area we need to assign a slideshow to this slideshow that we're creating. So I'm going to use slideshow home A, and next we can choose whether it's going to be a full screen slideshow or if it's going to be specific. Specific meaning you want to limit the height of the slideshow. Now because this specific slideshow is going to be in the middle of my page, I'm going to set this to 600 pixels. Okay, and here you can adjust the font family and the font settings for the text within the actual slider. Okay, so let's go ahead and click on publish. We will then open up our page in a new tab. Just like so, and take a quick look and see what we came up with. Okay, so here we have header, page title, and then we have our slideshow, and as you can see we have some text underneath that. If you want to add text right above it, what I'm going to do is simply drag and drop my text content area, and then I'm going to select a slider type B, click on update, and I will refresh this page once again, and you can see that my text has been added. Let me refresh it once again. There we go, and you can see that my text has been added above my slider, and this is what my slideshow looks like now. So it's very convenient to use slideshow type 4 if you want to add just an image slideshow somewhere in the middle of any page that you're creating, whether it's an about page or pricing page, whatever it may be. You create a slideshow, add it into the middle of the page, and it will look great. Okay, so this is it in terms of slideshow number 4, or the easiest and the simplest slideshow that we have. Okay, and in our next videos we'll talk about slideshow 1, 2, and 3. All of these slideshows have a number of different settings within them, so we'll go through each of them step by step. Okay, so I'll see you guys there in our next video.